any problem.
So hello everyone, good evening. It's me Harshit, and today we are joining with my friend. Three friends are there: Amikant, Ridham, and Ajay. So today we were discussing about our most frequent topic, that is reservation, caste based reservation. So we are here now to discuss. And firstly, I will invite our Amikant to start this meeting. So please, Amikant, please share your vision, thoughts.
Good evening, Harshit, and good evening, all of you. Today's group discussion is about reservation, caste-based reservation in India. Friends, in our life, many things are that you cannot control. Like in which family you get birth, in which religion you will get birth. So these kind of things you cannot control your height. You cannot control that how many connections your parents have, how many money that you, how rich you will born in this country. So there are certain things like you cannot control. What you can control is,
I think Amikant, firstly you have to describe what is reservation or caste basic reservation.
I am coming to the point. I am coming to the point. This is relation only, related only. Sorry.
Wait.
Okay.
Yes. So I am telling that there is many things in the world that you cannot control. What you can control is that you can eat healthy, you can sleep properly. This is the case in which reservation also applies, that you cannot control reservation. How many reservation you're getting, which caste of your born, it is not in control. The concept of reservation arrives in India when India was about to gain independence, and Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar demanded a separate electorate base for scheduled caste and scheduled tribes, which are marginal in our society at the time of independence. But Mr. Gandhi and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru not accepted this, and Mr. Mahatma Gandhi decided to sit in fast so that Mr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar should drop his demand. So to reach consensus or to reach compromise, Pune Pact was held, in which Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru decided that SC will get 14 or 11% reservation, and
11.
STs will get 7.5 reservation up to 10 year to drop
after the independence.
To drop their separate electorate demand. So after that, SCs and STs got independence. After time in 1991, former Prime Minister Morarji Desai constitute a committee called Mandal Commission to look after the grievances of other backward caste in other backward caste which reside mostly in UP, Punjab, and Tamil Nadu. So after a couple of years in 1991, former Prime Minister VP Singh decided to implement Mandal Commission, and protest to spark out in many parts of India, mainly in New Delhi. So OBCs got their reservation about I don't know number, but OBC got their reservation. After some time, many people sees that well of OBCs are going way ahead than the people who genuinely deserve reservation. So the concept of creamy layer was introduced, which was set about in a 8 lakh per annum. By the honorable minister,
you have to be
Amikant
or minimize your thoughts.
What
I am trying to say that you have to minimize your words. You are just describing whole things.
Like
you are just reading, you have written the content in the copy.
Our motive is that we have to discuss only our own thoughts.
Okay. I am
like you said that Pune Pact, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and that's all. You have not to describe all these things.
Okay. I am concluding. Sorry for inconvenience. I am just concluding that
because
is not your control.
We three are also here, so we also have to view our thoughts.
Yes. I am concluding. My point is reservation is not your control. What is in control that you study hard and make good out of it. You go to field in where there is no reservation, like army, judiciary, Olympic, cricket. So there is wide scope. You cannot give reason like reservation is there, then I am not coming there. So there is also a drawback, which is I'm not going to this. So this is my conclusion. Yes, sir.
So yes, Amikant, as you said that you are in not favor of reservation, I think. At the end, you are
Yes,
trying to say.
I
Huh?
am center Give
Okay.
reservation those who are deserving.
So I also want to know about the thoughts of Rhythm also. What's he think about this?
Wait a minute.
Okay, Ajay, you may.
No, I can continue.
Okay, okay.
So as Amikant already told the history, the reservation system started from this man, Bhimrao Ambedkar. Then Gandhiji convinced him for not having a separate electorate for STs and STs. So this is how the caste system, the reservation for based on caste system was introduced in our country. And at that time, it was prevalent for 10 years. But now it is going on by extending it. So my views in the caste reservation according to the caste is like it is needed. I think it is needed. But that day also we concluded this point that there should be a checking also. A nice team should be there that will check in a ground level who really deserve it or not, because reservation is important to set a common platform from everyone. In a competition, everyone starts from zero, and then the competition is like a healthy competition. So the one who is already who is in minus ranking, and the one who is in zero, the competition will not be healthy. So reservation system should be there, I think. So this was my views on reservation.
Okay, so you are think that after independence, there are number of amendments are there to extend the validity of reservation. So why the government are extending the date of reservation?
Okay.
Is
the
there
need
need
of
or they were
Definitely
thinking
there's a
something else?
No, there's a need. Still, there is a need. I understand the condition, the level. That time of STSC's level was really very very low. But now even the generals are facing the same thing as the STSCs were there that time. So the people are there also. In obviously the numbers of them are now less, but still the conditions are very bad still. So there is a need of reservation, but there should be a nice introspection. Inspection should be there.
Okay, we will get your view what you are trying to say. Your opinion is that reservation should be there, but there should be a proper what we say.
It should be there for a healthy competition in every field.
Okay. So
because the one who is preparing for something, I have given the facilities, every basic needs of my by my parents, they are capable to give me. But the one whose parents are not capable to, like there was a scheme for laptops or something also. The government was distributing that. So the one who is not having it will lack the knowledge. So for a healthy competition, the reservation system is needed, but with a nice inspection.
Okay. So yeah, Ajay, I also want to know what you are think about this. Firstly, you have to stabilize your video.
Okay, so my thought.
You are just turning off again and again your video.
Okay,
yeah,
actually my data was exhausted, so I need to.
Okay, continue.
Okay, so I also think that there must be a reservation system, not because of like economy point of view or like everyone cannot afford the money to give exam or fill the fees of anywhere. But the main thing is that like why reservation system introduced, because the people who are like general or at good level like Brahmin, Misra, or who are at high level of caste, they are not treating the people who are at lower cost as a good. They are thinking like they are just like animals or like thing. In cities,
you just told the right point what we are needed here. Basically, the reservation system are implemented because of these
today
points.
for only because of this.
Only because of these points.
Because
should be there
because
not
before the independence,
actually I am told the real story.
Okay. Yes,
I am
continue.
told the real story of I am telling the real story of my friend who is Prajapati and who is also very good in study now. He's performing his MBBS from Vidisha College. but his elder brother, who is in 11th or 10th class, but when he was going to my friend told me that when he was going to buy something from their shop also, then shopkeeper refused to take money from his hand. They said that lift this money,
Untouchability.
they will take, and they just give the product and they need to take, and their neighbors also behave like that. So what will be the how the thing will develop to my friends or anyone who face all the things like that. So if he become a good person, by reservation, he achieve a good rank or good like economic point of view, he
Reservation will
stable by
elevate the
economic.
status
So
of that person.
yeah, so he can feel good, and everyone talk to him like good person, not like he's lower cost and anything. So that is the main thing I think, because like Tigga or also Tigga is also in ST category and he is financial very good. But think if he's very low at financial also, then their neighbor are also like think he is poor person and he is also at very low cost. So he is not like our status or not our level. So they did not talk to in real manner also. So these are the main things. That's why I'm talking that reservation must be here.
Okay. So I think you
For
three
your
put your points.
clarity, Sam, my condition is not good.
No.
I am
What?
telling.
There is
I
nothing
am
to
living
hide,
in very.
Amikant.
No, Arshad. I am
No,
telling the
this is
reality. My
nothing to
condition
hurt.
is
I
very
just
bad.
explain.
If someone in your
What?
blood relation is a principal of a school, then how can you say that your condition is not good?
No.
Nahin,
There is.
you have the
My mother
you
is
have
not principal. My mother is headmaster in Chhattisgarh government middle school. She is
अरे
not a
तो it's
principal. Principal is
अरे तो
tier one master.
No, but up
तो
to class
she
5,
is in
there
charge
is no
ना.
principal,
Arey,
na?
at least
There
you
is
have a home, you are
headmaster.
living a nice life.
The
You have
matter
a
is that
smartphone also.
any member
Pankha is
of your
also there in your
family
room.
is in a government job of a B
Yes.
grade. Okay, the matter is that.
Yes.
And at present time, anyone is in a
Yeah.
government job of a pay
It's
scale of basic
considered as a
3600. So how can you say that you are in not you are in a poor condition? You can't say that.
Yes, and there is like because of reservation, there is like influence or we can say inspiration also. Like in any village, anyone become an IES from very low cost, very lower cost, then their lower or younger age students also have inspiration. Like we can also do, then he can do, then I can also do. So they
Okay,
need a
I want to ask
inspirational
Amikant
also.
why he don't want this reservation system. Being an SC, want to
I don't want reservation because I have confidence that I can get government job without reservation. No.
see
No, so
you just said that
you
the
are
condition of
looking
your
it
family is
wrong, na
not good.
yaar.
Nahin, wait.
Yeah,
He only
reservation
said
is
that the
not only
condition is
for to
not
get
good.
a government job. Na?
For example,
Only
there is one
government
You are
more
job is
thinking
not
Amikant
like,
Gupta.
under
He's
a
very good
reservation. Reservation
financially.
comes
He
under
has
everything. If you are
he has
appearing for any
every
election,
facilities and
any
sources
government
to
job,
study.
anything you are applying for anything, you get reservation. Like at present, there are panchayat elections are there.
It's not only about
Huh.
the job. It's not only about the job.
Reservation system
There are so many
it is
comprises
not limited up
everything.
to job only. Na?
we don't know. Poor people's lives are running from this reservation. If this reservation
Yes,
system remains,
yes,
poor
yes.
people will come on the road.
So
This is also reality is
at
that
the
if reservation is not has been there in past, then I will be not sitting in front of you. My mother and father
so
have not got job.
that's why we are discussing here. Na, reservation system should be or not.
Yes, there should be, but at certain limit should be there.
Like what?
Yes.
That's the thing
Now
we
I
are
think we
here.
have came to a common point.
Yeah, there can be improvement possible in this, but it must be there.
I think
Basically,
there should be a criteria
improvements are
according to
possible,
their
yes.
salaries. Not only just a piece of that I Praman Patra or income certificate.
No.
But
I think
there
not
should be a
according to salary or what. Let's suppose I am general category or SC category. If I am earning 10,000 per month, so I come into SC.
no.
No, according to you, you are saying
what
that if
I
we
was-
comparing about income.
Nahin.
No.
Like I am getting the scholarships, but everybody knows what the thing behind this is. So that is what I am saying.
So it depends upon number of factors are there, depending upon your I Praman Patra income
There is
certificate.
one more point that I wanted to say, that reservation should be there, but not according to their caste. Because I
Firstly,
think and the people of general category.
Firstly, I will start from the starting
very
point.
poor. There is a friend of mine. हाँ,
No,
she is single.
caste
She's in
must
general
be
category,
there,
but
na?
she
Then the
badly needs this reservation system and this scholarships and everything that is provided for me. My family and her family was very different, and the things I was getting was everything that she deserved. She was very financially weak, so I think reservation should be there, but I think not on the basis
so
of
for
caste
general
or.
also there is a economic weaker section, na? So if
हाँ हाँ,
anyone weak by financial, they can
नहीं
avail the economically
No,
weaker
no.
section.
Firstly, you have to know
that is
that
a
कि
different
why
thing.
reservation are there in India. Firstly, you have to know these things. In
Yes,
ancient
yes.
times, you know that our India divided into four
हाँ,
parts: Brahmin, Kshatriya, Shudra, and Vaishya.
वैश्य.
And after Britishers, all I think all were merged. But after going the Britishers, totally our India depend upon Brahmins as well. At that time, B.R. Ambedkar rises, and then he decided कि if Britishers left India in the hands of Brahmin, then Sudras and Vaishyas were what we say, dependent
Will
upon
go
the
down.
Brahmins, Gulam as well, simple like Britishers. So there is no any difference make after the independence. That's why B.R. Ambedkar decided to separate electoral vote system. है ना?
Yeah, and we are. I
But
want to add one
Gandhiji and
statement
Nehruji
of B.R.
refuses, because
Ambedkar.
if there were a separate electoral system, then there should be a possibility to made another Pakistan like, or division of India, because the division of Pakistan is just like these, because Muslims were have separate electoral based system. The main thing is that therefore what we say, reservation applied, but at that time reservation applied only for poor people, not based on their economical condition, only for their caste only. You get what I'm trying to say?
Yes, yes, I
At
get.
that time it doesn't mean that they are financially very high rich in condition, but the main thing is that they were just cut from the society. They don't want to see the pupil Sudra or Dalit, because
Yeah,
at
yeah.
that time, at present
They don't
also, if you are
want
living
to
in any
these people at their
village, then
level.
village people can't want to see any Chaudhary. I don't want to say the name, but you know very well. There are at
There's
that
a
point
student
also
of
there is
mine. She's Chaudhary. She lives in her rent. Her
Mhm.
landlady is Brahmin. So when she
हाँ.
takes the rent, she takes like this.
Mhm.
She drops
So
it in her hand.
after the independence, number of years have gone, but these things are not gone away from the society. That's why the reservation were implemented at that time. And they think that after 10 years, maybe when the people got reservation from the poor classes, then if they got higher post in any job or administrative service, then the might be change in the what we say,
Thoughts and the
thoughts of the
bhedbhav.
Brahmin or upper class.
Harshit,
But
I
it
want
can't
to ask
change.
question. One.
But now
I want to-
let me complete. I think you may clear all my points what I'm trying to say. But now what the things going on that the people who get reservations profit from these things, they are just getting profit again and again. You get my point? Like
Yes.
Amikant is SC here. I'm don't what we say poke Amikant, but the thing is that if you are SC also, I'm not only asking to you. If any SC candidate get job, government job, you are studying in government engineering college. If is there any
Your
job, then
children
you
will
get
be in
easily
a
get
good
job.
condition.
You are getting my point.
Then his
Your-
upcoming family will be in a
Your
good
parent is
condition.
also in
And
good
then again
condition,
he'll be getting good
and
condition.
again you will after 4-5 years you will in good condition, and your child will also be in good condition. That means the reservation for the SC/STs were getting by the some little amount of people.
I think there must be criteria like
I
if
think
any
if
family
any
get
pupil
up to 2 level only. After
Only-
2 to 3 level.
only 2 to 3 generation people can get
Right.
opportunity of reservation in any category, or he is SC/ST or OBC.
After that it should be stopped. There'll be completely a government waste of money.
Let's suppose we are OBC and we get job at the rank of OBC. Okay, we are in good condition. We made our child to at that level he get job in future also. So there is a cycle is going on. So the person who is belong to OBC and he is poor, so he can't achieve that rank that a OBC can achieve earlier or better than to them. So the cycle is going on.
Harshit,
It should
I
be
want
stopped
to
after 63.
say
I
one
think
point is that
there should be an amendment that if any person get a reservation profit in job or anything else, so there should be a ban. Only a one generation can get profit from reservation system from caste.
Harshit, I want to add this point is that according to Supreme Court, reservation is not a poverty alleviation program. It is a, I think, it's like
Ah.
representation.
That's elevating. It elevates
Yes,
the
yes,
status in a society.
Reservation is applied because of the as you said representation of lower class people. Like
yes,
at
yes.
present you are seeing every higher post there were Pandit, Sharma, Pandey, Dwivedi, all these are there. You never find any Gond, Singh. You know, you get my point what I'm trying to say.
Yes,
If you go to any
Reservation is-
hospital, you see notice board
Doctor.
where the name of doctors. There were Sharma, Pandey, Dwivedi, and falana number of there, है ना? Dubey,
Siblings
Pandey,
also.
हाँ.
Tiwari.
And maybe some OBCs, but there were no any SCST. Any 1, 2, 3 single minor will be there. So that's why the reservation were there. So the upliftment of that poor class. But nowadays, I think so you may also add something what I'm telling you.
That is fine. So, do you guys want to add something else, or we have come to the conclusion? The one thing is that there should be an amendment. Like after 1 or 2 generations, the system should be the reservation system should be ended for that particular
That
family,
particular family.
and there should be an inspection also for the ones who is getting the
Like there
reservation.
should be a rule. Like my father, if he's in a government job and get job by the reservation system, so I am automatically I am converted into general category. I think
Mm. Yes.
for me there should
That
be no
is
any
the-
caste certificate.
Huh.
You get my point, Amikan?
Huh.
Yes, Harshit.
I got.
Not should be any economic or income based, because if you made income based reservation, so people were just thought in mind ki if we are poor, so government will give us reservation. Nowadays what things are going on in villages that people can't go for work because from 2-3 years people can get free of cost rations monthly, government providing 2,000 or 6,000 per month to the Gond and Begas are there. So they were just doing nothing. So I think reservation should not be there on caste system or financial condition. There should be a generation system are there.
It is making people less productive. I think.
Huh.
The productivity, people are losing their productivity.
They are only for number. Their what we say, yogdan to the nation is nothing.
There is yogdan. So many people are needing it and who are getting it also. We can't.
No, we can't say like that. But 50% are.
Ha.
So I also learned somewhere that from SC/ST student that हमें क्या करना है यार, अगर इतना भी कर लेंगे तो अपन को मिल ही जाना है. So that thing pinned our mind. Let's suppose in January there is a constable exam, MP Police. If I am getting 80 out of 100, I can't get any post. But if any SC/ST of higher class getting 60 marks, he in the police
and he is getting selected.
That thing make an impact on a person. If he's what we say, if he's really poor, then it be fine. But his father in good condition, their financial condition are good, and although they are getting reservation, that makes unconditional things.
I agree with that.
So at the end, I want to conclude Rhythm or Amikant because we are running out of time. 2 minutes left only.
We came up with 2 points.
So conclude Rhythm what we have discussed today.
So the conclusion of today's discussion on this caste system, reservation based in caste system, was that one family getting the job or the profit from this reservation system won't be getting any profit from the reservation system after 2 or 3 generations.
Yes.
There should be an amendment or something like that. There should be a strict rule for that. And another thing was there should be an introspection in the ground level.
Mm.
That day also we came up with this point. This is much needed. There should be a team that should be set up.
And there should be a proper
It will save so much money of government also.
also
Government should do this.
if this system if the reservation just taking off a good student or the student having good mind, then our nation also
Yeah.
achieve the higher position that you want to be.
We will come up with good people, good and intelligent.
Like you see
students.
that at present time, number of pupils of Indian origin at America, the CEOs of that company, but in India only because of reservation system, you know what is going on.
Yeah.
So all these things are there.
So many Indian origin people are there.
Hmm.
In NASA, there are more than 50% scientists are there in India. I'm not remembering.